Everyone, welcome to my Pick My Brain theory. My name is Hannah. I help you to have the lifestyle you desire and still pay the right amount of tax. So today's topic is around tax and national insurance. So in one of my Facebook Live session earlier on this week, I've talked about in detail about the payroll deduction, especially your tax and national insurance deductions, and what's the difference. So this one is just a quick one, a snapshot of just to talk about the difference and how you can make sure you pay the right amount of them. So first of all, tax and national insurance, there are two separate deductions. So tax is usually, if you pay into the system, it's usually fund our public facilities, things like transport as well as our healthcare. But social security or national insurance is really funding the benefits, things like unemployment benefits or maternity allowance or things like state pension. So both of them, as we know, you pay into the system, but eventually it is benefiting you. So it might not give you the immediate benefit, but it is benefiting you indirectly or for long term. So next question is how can you make sure you don't overpay them? We all need to pay the fair share of our tax and national insurance, but paying more than that is probably not necessary. First of all, in order to make sure you pay the right amount of tax, and especially if you're an employee, then you need to make sure your tax code is correct. So in one of my previous Q&A Monday, I talked in depth about the tax code. So currently in 1718 tax year, it's 1150 So that's a normal tax code. But if you do have other tax code, make sure you check out my previous video and make sure these are correct. And secondly, if you are having multiple jobs, make sure you don't overpay national insurance, because when the threshold, when your overall earning is more than 45K current year, then the national insurance is only 2%. But most of employers, they each of if you have multiple jobs during a year, like perhaps every employer of yours, they will regard you as earning under the 45K threshold. So the rate is 12%. So make sure you double check with your employer and your pay slips. Then make sure you don't overpay your national insurance. So overall, we all need to pay the fair share amount of tax. These things, the money you earn, the money you pay into the system, it is still yours. It's still benefiting you, either indirectly or for long term. But of course, to make sure you don't overpay them, first of all, check your tax code. Second thing, your national insurance. If you have multiple jobs, be careful. Double check with your employer if they don't regard you as a or under earning under the threshold, and then make sure you do pay the right amount of national insurance as well. So again, I hope you find this one useful. And if you do have any questions about tax or national insurance, or any other questions about tax at all, be free to let me know. I am on Facebook. I have a private Facebook group. It's called Tax Deductible Lifestyle Tribe, and I will put a link below. So be free to join. Not just I will share the insights that I only share with my tribe, but also you can connect with our panel of experts. We have financial experts as well as business advisors who can help you to earn more money and grow your wealth. Okay, again, I hope you find this one useful, and I shall see you very soon. Bye now.